2017 Ford Mustang V6. Still got the stocks, catalytic converters from the factory. We did 2 MagnaFlow MagnaPacks instead of the resonator that goes here. And then we did 2 muffler deletes. And we finished them off with 4-inch double wall tips. Came out absolutely stunning. There's the muffler delete on each side, and there's the MagnaPacks right there. And this is what came off. That's the old 2 mufflers and resonator. I hope you guys like it. Sounds absolutely amazing, beautiful. Again, 2017 Ford Mustang V6. Give it gas! Got it, back it up. Show me what this thing has got, man. You like that? It's perfect. Go ahead and pull up. And that's how it's done.